Assalamu alaikum. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
It's alright. I can hold that. My name is Safdar. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Iman Sayed.
Iman, what you do?
I'm in A levels. I'm currently studying in Cedar College.
All right. And you're in art council. Are you in some kind of art or something?
No, I'm interested in theater and I came here for an audition.
You came here for the audition. All right. You like acting, right?
Yes.
Why do you like acting? When you realize that you want to be an actor?
I've been acting from a very young age. I've been acting in a lot of commercials since I was like 6 or 7. So as I got older, I realized that this is something I enjoy and I do want to continue it further.
And the other girls who want to pursue their dreams, but they are so depressed. They want to do something big, but they don't have any source of motivation. What message you can give them?
I think my message would be that if you truly love something, if you truly want something, then you need to get up and you need to have the motivation, because having motivation, I think, is one of the first step into achieving whatever you want. If you truly want something, get up and work for it every day, and if it's truly something meant for you, you will have it.
And what is the source of your motivation, by the way?
The source of my motivation, I would say, is my mother, my father, the people around me that support me and everything I do.
And what is your dream, by the way?
My dream is to be a successful actor and to do a lot for people around me. Did a lot for me when I was young.
And how you define success?
I think I define success with being content with everything. I think people put a lot of emphasis on happiness, but I think there should be a lot more emphasis on contention, to be content with everything you have.